Hey everyone, this is Becky, Black Art Beauty 14. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this eye look with the Pixi Let's Talk Eyes eyeshadow palette with the matching eyeliner. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette and I used every single shadow in this eyeshadow palette, and I even used one of the shades as a highlighter. I'm really sorry, hun, that I can't pronounce your name, but you did a really good job on this eyeshadow palette though that you did collaborate with Pixi with. I really love the eyeshadows, they just blend like a dream. But yeah, if you really enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. I've primed my eyes with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light. This will just make a really nice tacky base for those eyeshadows. I'm now going to be going in with the star of the show, which is of course the eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be starting off with the first shade, which is Potato. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm going to blend this all over the crease. I'm now going to be taking a smaller blending brush and I'm going in with the shade Sista. Not Sister, but Sista. S-I-S-T-A. Sista! Sista! And I'm just going to be blending that in the crease as well. Not bringing it as high, but just blending that in the crease so it makes the eyes look a bit more warmer. I'm now going to go in with the next shade, which is this reddish brown colour. And it's called Balm, because this colour certainly is the balm. I'm going to be taking that on a fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend this in the lower part of the crease. So I'm pretty much just layering all the colours. So you've got the transition colour at the top, the middle colour in the middle, and then you've got the darkish red colour at the bottom of the crease. So we're just layering them on. I'm going to go back in with that first brush that I used as the transition colour and I'm just going to be blend, 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 blend until they look nice and soft. I'm now going to start cutting my lid and I'm going to be going back in with that Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Taking it on a flat brush, I'm just going to be cutting my crease. Taking that fluffy brush, I'm now going to go in with the darkest shade in the palette, which is the shade Beauteous, and I'm going to be packing that on that outer edge, so I'll be blending the concealer and the dark edge together. I'm now going to go in with this really beautiful shimmery pink colour. Well, it's got a slight lavender sheen to it, so it's like a lavendery pink colour. It's really pretty and it's in the shade Girl. Wow, I'm speechless. This eyeshadow is beautiful. Oh, beautiful. I'm just going to be applying this all over my lid. I went in with a makeup wipe and just sharpened up those edges. I'm now going to be using the eyeliner which came with the eyeshadow palette. So it has a black kohl on one side and a liquid pen eyeliner on the other. I'm going to start by drawing a line on my eyelid with the liquid pen side. If you want that matte black pen, then this will be the eyeliner for you. I'm now going to be creating the wing. It's a little bit tricky to do it on camera, but I'll do my best. I used a bit of that Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer just to clean up that eyeliner so we make it look a little bit more sharp. And I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other eye. Voila! The eyeliner is done. I'm now going to be using the black coal side, and I am just going to be applying this on my waterline. Taking a small blending brush, I'm going to be taking a mixture of Sister and Beautis together. I'm going to be mixing them both together, and I'm going to be applying this on the lower lash line. For that inner corner highlight and brow bone, I'm going to be taking the shade Itty Bitty with my finger, and I'll be taking a big fluffy brush and applying that under the brow bone. I had a little ponder to myself because I wondered if Itty Bitty would make a really nice highlighter. So I took my big fluffy brush I used for my brow bone and I just applied it, and oh yes, that's pretty, that's pretty. Yes, that makes a fantastic highlighter. So yep, I'm just going to be applying that on my brow bone. And to finish this look off, I'm going to be applying my false lashes. And that is it, my loves. That is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This palette is just super amazing. I love it. But yeah, if you really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. But yes, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!